you're here today, you're probably feeling some money stress. I've been there. Maybe you're stressed about not knowing where all your money is going, or maybe you don't know if you can pay that next bill that's coming up, or both. YNAB's Rule 1 will solve this problem. It's called Give Every Dollar a Job. Every time you get paid, you'll decide what that money needs to do for you before you get paid again. This is incredibly powerful because you're gonna know that you can pay the next bill that's coming up, and you're gonna know where every dollar is going. Then, instead of deciding if you can afford something based on that big or small pile of money in your checking account, you're gonna decide based on a rock-solid plan. There are 3 simple steps to applying Rule 1 to your budget. You're gonna get some money, you're gonna give those dollars jobs, prioritize them, and you're gonna follow your plan. Let's walk through it in YNAB. I've started a new budget here, and I've already added my checking account. It's got a balance of $690 today. And this money is categorized for me as to be budgeted. And that means that it's going to appear at the top of my budget in this green to be budgeted category. Well, now I can give these dollars a job by just asking myself, what does this money need to do before I get paid again? Well, I don't have enough to budget for everything for the month, so I'll just prioritize. Now, I know I'll get paid again before my rent comes due, and I've already paid some of my other bills, but my electric bill comes due before I get another paycheck, so that's definitely a priority. Also, I know I need to get some groceries and some gas for the car before that next paycheck arrives, so I'll budget some for those. And hey, that should actually cover my immediate obligations before I get paid again. So now let's go ahead and check out some of these true expenses. Ooh, auto maintenance. You just never know when that car is going to need to be fixed, do you? But if you've got one, it's going to need money there eventually. So I'll put some money aside for that so I know when I'm ready for when those repairs come due. Also set some money aside for home maintenance. A couple of co-pays belong here in medical for sure. And oh, it's my sister's birthday this month. I definitely plan on getting her a present, so I'll budget some for that. Plus, I plan on going out with some friends this week. We're gonna grab a bite to eat. We're talking about maybe going to a show. And since I know I'm going to spend that money, I'm gonna include it in my plan. I'll put some money in dining out, and this last 25 can go down here in fun money. And that's it. I've given every dollar a job. The reason Rule 1 works so well is because when the time comes to spend money, you've already mapped out a plan. So instead of stressing over every little spending decision, you just follow your plan. No raise, windfall, or birthday check from grandma required. Though all those would still be pretty sweet.